I come into the room. You are still sleeping. The room is dark. I bend to kiss you goodbye. The room is dark, but I'm always on the look. My eyes and ears patrol others' intervention. It takes only one peep to break us down, to shame us. I look and look at you. There is one more day remaining. There is one more day remaining. There is one more day remaining. I feel my heart detached to yours. I feel it pulled in pieces. I look at you asking myself, how can a human heart love more than one human being? How can a human heart love more than one human being? That piece of paper lying on the ground, it is abandoned by its owner, where words written on the page are forgotten. It lays on that cold pavement, which is sometimes warmed by the sun, makes it more durable to lie. It lays, feeling the brand of shoes of so many whose feet touched it, stepped in it. It is pressed against the ground so hard that it becomes one with a smaller kingdom. Now it has that inhumane purpose, sheltering those little creatures. Sheltering those little creatures. Sheltering those little creatures.
Sheltering those little creatures.
I peek outside. I see the sky, the trees. How light gently touches leaves of trees. It makes them golden. The wind makes them sparkle as it shivers leaves. I see the castle right across, those odd shapes where one is higher than the other. The human noise and the noise of cars, all of it is hidden by the sky and trees.